Hey everyone, it's good to see you. And welcome to the Finance with Bera members community. First of all, thank you for becoming a member. Whether you have joined to learn more about investing or following my portfolio journey or simply to get access to exclusive content, I truly appreciate your support. When I started this channel, my goal was pretty simple: to document my investing journey, share what I'm learning, and help everyday investors avoid costly mistakes while building long-term wealth. And now, through this membership program, we are going to take that mission one step further. So, what can you expect as a member? As a member of Finance with Bera, you will receive access to content that won't be available on the public channel. These members-only videos will go deeper into my research process, portfolio decisions, market opportunities, and risks that I'm personally watching. Sometimes public YouTube videos only allow us to scratch the surface. Inside the membership area, we'll have the freedom to discuss ideas in much greater detail. You'll get access to members-only videos, portfolio updates, market commentary, investment research breakdowns, and exclusive insights that don't make to the public channel. Now, coming to the higher tier benefits. For members in our higher tiers, you'll also receive something that many of you have been requesting: a free monthly portfolio review. Every single month, you heard it right. This is where you'll be able to submit your portfolio and receive feedback on areas that may need attention. We will discuss asset allocation, diversification, risk management, long-term investing strategy, potential blind spots that you may not be seeing. The goal is not to tell you what to buy or sell. The goal is to help you become a better investor and think more critically about your portfolio decisions. So, who is this community for? One thing I want to make it clear: this community isn't about chasing the next hot stock. It isn't about getting rich overnight. And it definitely isn't about, taking risks. We're focused on long-term wealth creation. We're focused on learning. We're focused on making better decisions year after year. Because investing success doesn't come from, one great trade. It comes from hundreds of good decisions compounded over time. So before I leave, I know there are thousands of channels you could watch. The fact you have chosen to support Finance with Bera means a lot to me. Your support helps me dedicate more time in researching companies, creating better content, and building resources that benefit this entire community. So thank you for being here. Thank you for believing in the vision. And thank you for being part of the journey. And before I leave, make sure to check the members section regularly, because I'll be posting exclusive content there that public viewers won't see. And if you're in one of the higher tier membership tiers, don't forget to take advantage of your free monthly portfolio review benefit. I'm excited to grow alongside all of you. Let's continue building wealth together, one investment at a time. Welcome to Finance with Bera community, and I'll see you guys in the next members only video.